Ever wondered why mangoes are often called the king of fruits? What is it that gives them this royal status? Now, if you're thinking it's just because of their sweet tropical flavor, think again. There's a lot more to these sun-kissed fruits than meets the eye or the taste buds. They're not just delicious, they're also powerhouses of nutrition. Well, it turns out that mangoes are packed with benefits that can significantly contribute to your health. Let's dive in and explore these benefits. From boosting your immune system to supporting your digestive health, mangoes offer an array of health benefits. Let's delve into the nutritional powerhouse that is the mango. Firstly, mangoes are rich in nutrients. They're packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like potassium and folate. These essential nutrients help support your immune health, ensuring your body is well equipped to ward off illnesses. Plus, they contribute to skin function, helping to keep your skin supple and radiant. Next, let's talk about antioxidants. Mangoes contain an impressive array of these potent compounds that help combat free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in your body. By eating mangoes, you're giving your body a natural antioxidant boost, reducing oxidative stress and helping to maintain your overall health. Thirdly, mangoes are a friend to your digestive system. Their high fiber content promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your digestive health in check, look no further than this tropical fruit. Now, if you're watching your weight or trying to maintain a healthy diet, mangoes could be a valuable ally. The fiber in mangoes not only supports digestion, but also contributes to a feeling of fullness. This means you're less likely to overeat, potentially supporting your weight management goals. Lastly, let's not forget about the role mangoes play in eye health. These fruits provide vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing eye-related issues. So for the sake of your eyes, it might be a good idea to make mangoes a regular fixture in your diet. As you can see, incorporating mangoes into your diet could be a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. So why not grab a mango today and start reaping these fantastic health benefits? Mangoes are not just deliciously sweet fruits, but also a powerhouse of essential nutrients and health benefits. From being rich in vital vitamins and minerals, providing an antioxidant boost, supporting digestion, aiding weight management, to promoting eye health, truly the king of fruits is more than meets the eye. So why not let it reign supreme in your diet? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to improve your health and well-being, make sure to subscribe for more content. Let the king of fruits reign supreme in your diet.